distracted by Messenger notifications on your Android phone? Turning them off permanently can help you stay focused. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily disable Facebook Messenger notifications on your Android device for good. Solution 1. Disable notifications from Android settings. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down. Go to Notification Settings. Tap App Notifications. Find and select Messenger from the list of installed apps. Tap Notifications and turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. This will completely disable Messenger notifications across your device. Solution 2. Turn off notifications from the Messenger app. Open the Messenger app on your device. Tap 3 lines. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Go to Notifications and Sounds. Toggle off the notification switch. Choose until I turn it back on or select a custom time if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily turn off Facebook Messenger notifications on your Android device for good. If you need more help, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.